Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce the Talus Network Airdrop and guide you on how to participate. Talus Network is a project that has successfully raised up to $6 million in funding. This is their first airdrop, so join as soon as possible to maximize your benefits. Let's start by exploring what makes this project special. What is Talus Network? Talus Network is a Layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for developing and managing AI agents. Using the Move programming language for building smart contracts, Talus offers superior security, high flexibility, and the capability to process complex transactions of AI agents in parallel. For developers, Talus provides a powerful toolkit to build and deploy AI agents. Talus users can leverage these AI agents to meet various needs, such as a data management, a portfolio building, a outcome prediction, a automated trading, a risk assessment, a interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. Talus successfully raised $6 million in funding from prominent backers such as Animoca Brands, Foresight Ventures, Echo, and MH Ventures. Currently, Talus Network has launched the Enchanted Seasons campaign, divided into multiple seasons. In the first season, participants can complete social tasks, engage in daily rituals, invite friends, and accumulate reward points. Those who participate in the campaign will have the chance to receive airdrops when the project is officially listed in the future. How to join the Talus Network Airdrop? Joining the Talus Airdrop is incredibly simple. Just follow the steps below. Step 1. Access the link provided. You can find it in the video description. Enter your email address, then check your inbox. Click the verification link to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Set a username for your account. Step 3. Click the Start Here button to begin completing the project's social tasks. First, link your social media account, e.g., X. Once completed, claim your reward points. Next, complete the Discord task. Join the project's Discord group and verify your account to receive additional points. Step 4. Complete other tasks required by the project to accumulate more points. Step 5. Invite friends to join the campaign to earn more points and unlock special project tasks. Note: you must successfully complete 3 social tasks to unlock the referral task. That concludes our introduction and guide to the Talus Network Airdrop. We hope this video provides you with valuable information. If you found it helpful, please give us a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming quality projects. Thank you for watching.